welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, first off, I just wanted to apologize. I have been gone for the past month, and that is because I got really busy. I was involved in theater at my school. We did West Side Story, and every single day I was at school from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., sometimes even longer. I literally had no time at all to film or do anything related to YouTube for about the past month or so. It was a lot of fun. I'm really glad that I got that experience to do that musical. It was so amazing. But now that it is over, I'm really excited to be going back into YouTube and just having a regular schedule again. Today's video is going to be a room tour. In case you guys didn't know, back in January, I actually moved rooms. So now I'm sharing a room with my two brothers. I actually kind of like it because my brothers are basically never in their rooms. So I decided to show you guys a little room tour of basically this room. I really like how it turned out. If you guys like this video, then don't forget to give a big thumbs up. And also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. That would mean so much to me. Without further ado, let's just get straight on into the video.
I have never done a room tour like this before, but I just wanted to kind of test it out. My room is downstairs, so this is my front entrance. And then you walk downstairs, and then this is my room. Here's just going to be a quick little overview of the room. First thing is on the side I have this desk drawer area with picture wall. The first thing is this little dog, and he actually used to hold dog treats when we had a dog, but now he doesn't hold anything. We just have that, and then this is our dresser. We do actually have a closet right there, but a lot of our clothes cannot fit, so we have an extra dresser of just stuff for my brothers. Yeah, they just have their sort of stuff in here, and then I have two drawers here that are mine. This one has my pajamas, and then this one has bathing suits. Then we have this picture wall, and I absolutely love how this turned out. A lot of these are actually painted by my family members. So this one is painted by my brother Z-Max, as you can see his name. It just says boys rule, and I think it's really cool. I actually like how it turned out a lot. I'm really proud of him for that. And then my mom painted these two pictures. She went to this coffee shop called Great White, and she got inspiration for these two pictures. And she painted them. I think they turned out amazing. We just have this Be Still and Know, which my aunt got for us. And then this little picture that says high five me. This picture is my brother Z-Max's self-portrait. I think it's so adorable. This picture which my mom bought, I'm not exactly sure where she bought it from, probably Urban Outfitters or something. I have this picture which is kind of hard to see because of the glare. I got this for my birthday, and it says love you, Vishal, and a peck. And so I have a picture of me and my siblings on Easter, and then me and my cousin on Bainbridge Island. So yeah, that's pretty much this entire wall. I absolutely loved how it turned out. I think all the colors go great together. Over here I have this book called Shoot the Skies, which is my friend Tanner's. He's a photographer, and so he has a book. I have my Polaroid, which you guys have seen. I got this a really long time ago, and I need to be using it more because I still have a ton of film left and I just never use it. I have this candle, which is Japanese cherry blossom. I'm always lighting a candle in here because, again, there are two boys in here. So this little guy, this is a penguin knickknack thing that my aunt got for me a while ago, and I think it's really cute. It's just nice and simple. And then I have this mirror, which I've had for a long time. You guys have seen it in all my other room tours. My sister also has the same one. It's from IKEA. My grandma got this for me. I'm not exactly sure where she got it, but it just says Jesus, and I have yet to hang it up. I think I want to hang it up right here or something. I've also had this little deer for the longest time as well. I got this from IKEA. And we have this lamp right here. It's just this plain black and gold lamp. And then I have money here that I owe to someone. That's why it's sitting there, in case you're wondering. I use this every morning to do my makeup and stuff like that. So basically this is my own desk. I have my camera bag right under there. And then I have the same orange stool that I've had in all my room tours. I have these three drawers, and they are pretty messy right now, but this is my makeup drawer. And this is my random drawer. And this is my most organized. It has my journals, my Bible, coloring books, writing stuff. And we just have these two windows. This room is actually pretty dark. There's only these two windows. Just have these curtains. They're just plain white curtains. I don't know, nothing special about them. We don't have much of a view. We're literally looking into the neighbor's house. Over here, I really like this wall a lot. It just has a ton of our books and stuff. And my mom actually painted it black, which I think looks amazing. So up there we have my brother's Star Wars things, and then we have sort of my books. These are my books. And then I put in these two Polaroid snow globes that I got for my birthday. I think they look really nice here. These are just all of my favorite books. If you guys have not seen, I uploaded a video talking about them. I'm currently reading this one. It's Betty White. I actually got it from the library. A lot of these are just my brother's books. A lot of these are picture books that I've had since I was super little. But we kind of like went through it and organized it when I moved down here. And then I have my Sonos here, which is amazing. You can basically put any music that you want off your phone, and we have them all over the house, so I really like having this here. And down here is where we have all of our backpacks. It's very messy right now. We just have my backpack and then my gym bag, my brother's hoverboard, my brother's backpacks, and all that sort of stuff. And then right here's my closet. It's very small and very messy, so I'm not going to show you guys my closet. And right here, this is where my record player is. I actually really like how my record player turned out. I wasn't sure how the hot pink was going to fit in this room. I really like how this painting also had some hot pink in there too, so it kind of like went together. My aunt actually gave me this poster a while ago. It just is this hot pink and like greenish, yellowish, just like these leaves, and I really like how it looks. And then we have my record player, which you guys have seen before, and I currently have Bing Crosby. I was listening to that while I was cleaning my room. And then I have all my records down here. I have Bing Crosby, and then I have Frank Sinatra, I have Beauty and the Beast, I have Taylor Swift, and I have Adele. Then here, this is just a random desk that I got from my friends, and it just has cords, fairy lights, stuff that I don't really know what to do with. And in here is my bathroom, and my bathroom is also very, very messy. And right here, before I move on to the beds, I just have this lamp that I will use at night for reading. And then we have my bunk beds, and I actually wasn't sure how I was going to like bunk beds, but I really do like it a lot. This is my youngest brother. His name is Z-Max. This is his bunk bed, and this is mine, and I actually really like having the middle bunk bed because I feel like it's the easiest to get to. I just have my super soft white blanket right here that I got for Christmas. It's so soft. And then I just have a couple stuffed animals, and I'm trying to currently put on Polaroids on here, so I haven't really done that yet. And my brother Ethan's bed, and then I have a basketball hoop because my brothers love to play basketball. This rug is really, really nice too. I forget where my mom got it from, but yeah, we just have this rug.
That was my video for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys liked it. That would mean so much to me. I'll see you guys really soon with a new video, so bye!